Now let us discuss about energies of orbitals. The energy of an electron in an atom is determined by the principal quantum number, that is n. Thus, the energy of the orbitals increases in the following order. 1s is having lesser energy than 2s and 2p, which are having lesser energy than 3s, 3p and 3d orbitals, which are having lesser energy than 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f orbitals, and so on. The shapes of 2s, 2p orbitals are different, but an electron present in them has the same energy. The orbitals having the same energy are called degenerate orbitals. The 1s orbital in a hydrogen atom is the most stable condition and is called the ground state, and an electron in this orbital is most strongly held by the nucleus. An electron in the 2s, 2p or higher orbitals in a hydrogen atom is in excited state. The energy of an electron in a multi-electron atom, that means atom having more than one electrons, depends on its principal and azimuthal quantum numbers. Principal quantum number corresponds to shell, azimuthal quantum number corresponds to subshell. The main reason for having different energies of these subshells, that is S, P, D and F, is the mutual repulsion among the electrons in a multi-electron atoms. The lowering of the effect of the positive charge of the nucleus on the outer shell electrons due to the presence of inner shell electrons is called screening or shielding effect. The net positive charge experienced by the outer electrons is known as effective nuclear charge. The effective nuclear charge experienced by the electron decreases with increase of azimuthal quantum number, that is L. That is, s orbital electron will be more strongly bound to the nucleus than p orbital electron, which in turn is tightly bound than the d orbital electron. The energy of electrons in s orbital will be lower, that is more negative, than that of p orbital electron, which in turn has less energy than that of d orbital electron, and so on. Let us know about dependence of energies of the orbitals on n and l values. The lower the value of n plus l for an orbital, the lower is its energy. If two orbitals have the same value of n plus l, the orbital with the lower value of n will have the lower energy. The energies of the orbitals in the same subshell decrease with increase in the atomic number. For example, energy of 2s orbital of hydrogen atom is greater than that of 2s orbital of lithium, and that of lithium is greater than that of sodium, and so on. That is, energy of 2s orbital of hydrogen is greater than that of 2s orbital of lithium, which is having higher energy than that of 2s orbital of sodium, which is having higher energy than that of potassium. let us know about arrangement of orbitals with increasing energy on the basis of n plus L rule. 1s orbital is having n value 1 and L value 0. N plus L value becomes 1 plus 0, that is 1. 2s orbital is having n plus L value 2. 2p orbital is having n plus L value 3. And here n is equal to 2 for 2p orbital, which is having lower energy than 3s orbital. That means 3s orbital is having n value 3 and L value 0. So n plus L value for 3s orbital is 3. N plus L value for 3p orbital is 4. And this 3p orbital is having lower energy than 4s orbital, because for 4s orbital n plus L value is 4. N plus L value for 3d is 5, which is having lower energy than 4p orbital, for which n plus L value is 5. Though 3d and 4p orbitals are having n plus L values same, but the principal quantum number for 3d is 3, but for 4p is 4. Hence, the lower the principal quantum number, lower will be the energy. Hence, 3d is having lesser energy than 4p orbital. Let us know about filling of electrons into the orbitals of the atoms. It takes place as per the Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Aufbau principle, the word Aufbau means building up. Statement of Aufbau principle is, in the ground state of the atoms, the orbitals are filled in the order of their increasing energies. The order in which the energies of the orbitals increase, and hence the order in which the orbitals are filled, is as follows: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, and so on. This is the order of filling of orbitals. First 1s is filled, and then next 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, and then 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, and so on. This is the order of filling of orbitals. Let us know about Pauli's exclusion principle. Statement of this principle is, no two electrons in an atom can have the same set of 4 quantum numbers. Only 2 electrons may exist in the same orbital and must have opposite spin. Note, the maximum number of electrons in the shell with principal quantum number n is equal to 2n square. Hence, the maximum number of electrons in 1s is 2, and in p orbital is 6, and in d subshell is 10. Let us know about Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Statement of this principle is, this rule is, the pairing of electrons in the orbitals belonging to the same subshell, that is p, d, or f, does not take place until each orbital is singly occupied. Since there are 3p, 5d, and 7f orbitals, Therefore, the pairing of electrons will start in the p, d, and f orbitals with the entry of 4th, 6th, and 8th electron respectively. Note, the half-filled and fully filled degenerate set of orbitals gain an extra stability due to their symmetry. The orbitals of equal energy are called degenerate orbitals. Let us know about electronic configuration of atoms. The distribution of electrons in various orbitals of an atom is called electronic configuration of atoms. The electronic configuration of different atoms can be represented in two ways. First method of representing electronic configuration is notation method, that is s to the power a, p to the power b, d to the power c, where s, p, d are subshells, a, b, c are the number of electrons. Second method of representing electronic configuration of atoms is orbital diagram, where box shows subshell and an arrow shows spin of an electron. If it is spin up, it is positive spin. If it is spin down, it is a negative spin. This is the orbital diagram method, where S is having only one orbital, P subshell is having 3 orbitals, D subshell is having 5 d orbitals. The electrons in the completely filled shells are known as core electrons. The electrons in the shell with the highest principal quantum number are called valence electrons, or the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom are called valence electrons. Thus, P3, P6, D5, D10, F7, F14 configurations, which are either off-filled or fully filled. Off-filled are P3, D5, F7. Fully filled are P6, D10, F14. These are more stable configurations. Hence, chromium and copper adopt D5 and D10 configuration. The ground state electron configuration of the atom of an element is the lowest energy state. Let us discuss about orbital picture of elements. Lithium is having atomic number 3, where 1s and 2s orbitals are filled. Beryllium is having atomic number 4, where 1s and 2s orbitals are filled. Boron is having atomic number 5, 1s, 2s and 2p orbitals are filled. Similarly, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon are having orbitals filled with electrons. But neon is having almost completely filled orbitals, that is 1s, 2s and 2p. All the 3 orbitals are completely filled in case of neon. Cause of stability of completely filled and off-filled subshells. Symmetrical distribution of electrons in completely filled or exactly off-filled subshells makes them more stable. Their shielding effect is small and the electrons are more strongly attracted by the nucleus. Hence they are more stable. Second cause for stability of completely filled and half-filled orbitals is exchange energy. Exchange energy of completely and half-filled subshells is maximum, hence they are more stable. Note, the stability of half-filled and completely filled subshells is due to relatively small shielding effect, smaller Coulombic repulsion energy, and larger exchange energy. The electrons present in the degenerate orbitals having same spin tend to exchange their positions, and the energy released due to this exchange is called exchange energy. Let us know about electronic configurations of different elements. Elements with atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The electrons are filled in 1s, 2s and 2p orbitals. Neon is having almost completely filled orbitals. All 1s, 2s and 2p orbitals are completely filled in case of neon. This is the order of filling of electrons into various atoms of elements. From atomic number 11 to 30, electrons are filled in the subshells 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d and 4s orbitals. From atomic number 31 to 54, electrons are filled in the orbitals like 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s and up to 5p orbitals. Xenon is having atomic number 54 where all the orbitals are completely filled. For the elements of atomic number 55 to 86, electrons are filled in 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s and 6p orbitals. In case of radon, which is having atomic number 86, almost all the orbitals are completely filled up to 6p orbital. For the elements of atomic number 87 to 111, 1s to 7s orbitals are filled. Thank you. This is the end of the second chapter, Structure of Atom.